Hey, come along with me while I style this short starter looks. I'm not supposed to be manipulating it that much, but let's see how it goes. When you're starting looks, you can't really manipulate it that much, right? You can't do a lot of pulling, manipulating the lock strands or the hair strands, I don't know, the locks into a style that you may like, you know. So the reason is you don't want to unravel your locks, especially when they are short like mine, and because of how my hair tends to unravel. It's difficult, but I feel like there's still something you can do, to spice it up a bit, because it's not every time you have to just fluff out and just go, and obviously not let the style stay in for too long, because if it does stay in for too long, what's going to happen is that you're going to be stretching out the hair, and by the time you undo it, those parts that you stretched would have been looking quite straightened and thin than the other parts that are starting to look. So it makes it very difficult, But we're going to try. It's been a week or so now that I washed my hair. I haven't washed it again. And I recently found out that castor oil is not good for starter locks. I didn't even know that, because I've read it online, okay, from very reliable sources, that castor oil is good for locks, and then another source is also saying it's not good. But I like to err on the side of caution and not add it to my hair anymore until I'm quite confident about what it does. I think I'm just going to hold on for now. So this is just hair that I kept up like this throughout the night, and it's another day I need to prep for work, and I feel like I should do something to it. As usual, it looks shrunken, but I'm just going to spray my hair with water. By doing this, I'm hoping that I can get the hair to wake up. Sometimes I feel a little bad. I feel like the hair is like a person who's sleeping and you just come and pour water on them to wake up, but they need to wake up, so yeah. I noticed the back is still unraveling, because now I can't twist them anymore, because the ends are almost like difficult to bring out, So what I've decided to do is to just palm roll them instead, So here you go. There. Let's see for these. Also same, the ends look like they are locking, and it's very difficult to bring them apart. So I just want to leave them like that and rather just twist them up, palm roll them rather. Same for this side. They really unraveled. This is quite locked. I'll just palm roll the base. At least the goal right now is to make sure that they don't unravel and join together and feel like loose natural anymore, so that I don't give too much work to my loctician. And also I think this is a better option for me in terms of avoiding too much manipulation, because I tend to be very tender-headed. I know I complain a lot when they're doing my hair, It's always painful when somebody else is touching my hair. What I'm doing right now doesn't hurt at all, but somebody else is doing it and I'm like, So to avoid all of that, I just want to make sure everything remains in place so that when I go for a retie, it won't be too much manipulation. My hair has actually grown long, but as usual it shrinks a lot. So, and notice the budding happening at the end of this hair. So I know it's definitely locking up. Because I can't see, I usually just feel what's happening and try to save the situation a bit. I know I don't really do it well, but palm rolling locks that I've unraveled, I never thought it would be this difficult for me. And as usual, the arm that hurts is even one of the reasons why I just get discouraged with twisting up the hair or redoing them when they unravel. It hurts. I'm sure by the time next week comes, they'll be able to sort it out for me. So just gonna leave those ones be for now, and just fluff these ones out. The front isn't unraveling that much, so be grateful for that. Looks like the hair didn't wake up. I have to wake them up again. Okay. Alright, I think they look like they're waking up a bit. They're looking alive. This is the one I just did. Like one of the ones I tried to retwist. So it's kind of stretched out and it won't shrink back. I'll just leave it be like that. In the back. As usual, I can't see. So I'm just going to flap out and go look in the mirror to see if I'm on the right path. I think they're awake now, relative to when I started, right? They are. Okay, so now, how do I want to style this? Oh, let's see. I really don't have anything in mind, but I feel like doing something else in my hair. I'm still not feeling it. Look at this stray one too. Oh, in their defense, they were recently locked or recently installed, so they are kind of thinner than the rest of the hair. Just gonna hide them in there. I still don't know what style to style, but I think this is also a style. Maybe I could just do something small like that. Okay. I think that's what I'm going to do. Alright, let's see how it goes. Yeah. Alright, so let's just put these back. I'm just grabbing a few and just pushing them back like that. Okay. Going with the pin. We'll do the same for this side. Love these ones to the front a bit, and maybe I may need to push up. No, I think it's okay. It's fine. You know, just something small. Oh, this is shrinking up nice. Alright, so I'm not going to lay my edges. I really don't feel like adding anything to my hair. I think already, even though I'm not adding anything, the hair is gathering a lot of dust or dirt. If you watch my prep video for my retie, you see that the water that drained out of the hair that I washed was just so brown. I kept wondering, it was as if I had gone to play in the sun. So I don't want to add anything else to my hair to gather more dust. So I'm just going to leave it like that. Normally I would have just tried to swoop the side a bit and all that. But I think I'm just going to leave it like that. So yeah, like this. I think it's okay like that. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. I'm just hoping that I don't feel too much tightness from this thing that I did here. Like I said, I tend to be too tender-headed. It's crazy. During the day, if I feel like it's too tight, I'll bring them out and just go. But for now, I think I'm okay with what I have. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions, like I keep saying, please comment down there below. If you have any advice for me, please comment. I'd love to read about them. Also, kindly share my video with your friends and do subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.